I really enjoy ag because it's hands-on learning and I do better with that. I also think it opens up a whole other community where you can meet lots of new people.
I wanted to learn more about farming and plants and how to grow plants and how to keep a plant healthy.
I love the way she teaches and she's so nice and involved with her students that it makes the class so much easier.
She does a lot of notes before the test and you get a lot of information down before you get to the point of the test, so you're always prepared.
I took the floral class because I just think it's so beautiful that there are so many types of flowers and how you can arrange them. It shows who you are. I would recommend the floral class to other students to just show creativity and, you know, these flowers and all the arrangements you make, they can be given to people that you love.
In class, a lot of the times we go up to the barn where we currently have a couple ewes. We just had 8 lambs born and we have 1 ram.
I really like being in the outside classroom. That's my favorite part of the class.
In floral class, this would help you get a job because you can also take the state test in Sacramento, which is a really good certificate to have if you want to open your own floral shop one day. I do see this as part of my future career.
I think it's a good experience, especially if you have a hard time with like regular science, like biology and chemistry. It's a good pathway to take because you're still learning about the components of those classes, just in a different form.